First, make sure you have Internet Download Manager installed on your computer. If you don't, you can download it from the official IDM website and install it. Next, we need to locate the IDM installation folder. Open File Explorer, go to your C drive and look for the Program Files folder. Inside, find the Internet Download Manager folder. In the IDM folder, find a file named IDMGCExt.crx. This is the Chrome extension file we need. Now, open Google Chrome and navigate to the Extensions page by typing Chrome://extensions into the address bar and pressing Enter. Once you're on the Extensions page, enable Developer Mode by toggling the switch in the top right corner. This allows us to add custom extensions like IDM. Now, go back to the IDM folder, click and drag the IDMGCExt.crx file into the Chrome Extensions page. You'll see a pop-up asking for confirmation. Once added, you'll see the IDM extension in the list of installed extensions. Make sure it's toggled on. Finally, test the IDM integration by visiting any downloadable files. I will go to my Google Drive and let's try to download one of my file. When you click on a download link, IDM should automatically catch the download. And that's it. You've successfully added the IDM extension to Google Chrome. Now you can enjoy faster and easier downloads directly from your browser.